Hello everyone. If you remember from last week's science experiment, you were experimenting with water and surface tension. Today we're going to be making water, and we're also going to be making something else that makes a plant like this happy. And if you remember what plants breathe in, do you remember? That's right, carbon dioxide. We're going to make water and carbon dioxide in a very basic chemical reaction that you can do in your kitchen and that you've probably already done at some point in your life or you've seen on videos. We're going to be mixing a base called baking soda with an acid called vinegar. And when we do that, there's going to be a chemical reaction that takes place. I'm just going to do a really quick mini version of that chemical reaction. I'm going to take a tablespoon of baking soda. I'm going to put it in this little can, and then I'm going to pour about a quarter cup of vinegar in there. Ooh, can you see that? See what's happening there? It's really bubbling up. And if I put my hand by it, I can feel that there's gas coming off of there. It's like a breeze all of a sudden starts blowing in the kitchen. And that gas is making this plant very happy. You're happy, right?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Yep. Why are you happy?
Because it's carbon dioxide.
You're right. It's carbon dioxide coming off. From baking soda and mixing with vinegar, how do we get carbon dioxide? Oh, but there's one thing else. We also get water. I'm pouring off the water, and that's all it is water. And then there's some white residue in there. And I forget what that's called. What is that one called?
Sodium acetate.
Sodium acetate, okay. And to explain this chemical reaction further, I have our expert Logan Nearing, who happens to be studying chemical reactions at high school at East at the moment. And he can explain what's going on at the molecular level.
Okay. So, you see that? Okay, so this is the reaction that occurs, and
You want me to hold it?
yeah. So these are the chemical symbols for these compounds. So we have the acetic acid, and that's the vinegar, and that's reacting with the baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate. And what's going to happen is when those combine, the bonds between the individual atoms here are broken, and they're going to be reformed into these other molecules. So the products for this reaction are sodium acetate, which is what's in the can still.
That white substance. Yep.
And then water, which you could pour off. And then that carbon dioxide is the third product, and that just goes into the air as a gas.
Excellent. Thank you, Mr. Nearing.
You're welcome.
Okay, now for the fun part. You all want to make your volcano. This is a very simple recipe that I found online from preschoolinspirations.com. And it says you need a plastic cup. You'll need water, 3 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of dish soap, 1/2 ounce or 2 ounces of washable paint, or I would say food coloring, like maybe a red for lava, and then 1 cup of vinegar. So to save time, I'm going to kind of cut this a little short. I'm just going to quickly put in about 4 tablespoons of vinegar or of baking soda in a cup. And then I'm going to squirt some soap in there. And I'm going to squirt some red food coloring in my 1 cup of vinegar. Give that a stir. And we'll see what happens here. Yours hopefully will be better than mine. I have not tried this before exactly this way, but you'll get the picture. Here we go. Woo! Oh, that you can just feel that carbon dioxide coming right off. That's amazing. Look at that. Wow. It's erupting. Ah! Run for your lives. Well, have fun this week, everyone, and show me some pictures of you doing your volcano. Thank you.